Hey, what is going on, OCNers? This is Blue Devil. It is no surprise that I like test benches because I swap in and out hardware all the time: motherboards, graphics cards, memory, AIO coolers, water cooling, the list goes on. So I'm always constantly needing to get at my hardware at an easier rate than popping on a side panel and being constricted in working. So I've had two different test benches until I got this guy, the Streacom BC1 Open Test Bench. Now the Streacom BC1 is a little bit different than all the rest of them. It allows you to fold it completely up and go to LAN events or go to overclocking events and be able to set up your test bench without any tools. Yep, it's toolless. It all has thumb screws. It's all modular, so if you have a higher riser card that needs to be done or a lower riser card, it can accommodate it. It's really interesting. It actually can accept, from what I found out, two 280mm radiators. You probably could fit a 360 on there or larger, but it's going to hang off, and in my opinion, it's just a little weird looking. So, but it's made out of full cast aluminum. It's high grade machined. It's wonderful. What I like best about this little guy is that it just felt super premium, and at $159, it is super premium. The BC1 is also unique to itself because it's an open test bench, which means, yes, it's open physically, but it's also open sourced. So you can actually go and 3D print your own test bench if you really wanted to, or CNC machine it if you wanted to as well too. So the plans are completely free. I'll link them in the product description below. But let's go ahead and put a build onto here. As you see, it's already done, but I got some time lapse and some B-roll. So let's get to that.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up. just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now.
Okay, so what do I think of the BC1? Great test bench, best test bench I've ever built on. The way that the hardware is installed is really innovative. The motherboard has push down pins as well as normal screw down pins if you want something a little bit more permanent. I opted for push down. The power supply is completely easy to get at, to swap in and out a cable. Hard drives and SSD installation is a breeze with just 2 thumb screws. It hangs in the front. It's great. Easy to install. Graphics cards have no limits. Cable management's awesome. I really can't find a bad thing about this product. For me, 5 out of 5 flames, easy. Great product, great design. All right, guys, I'm gonna get on out of here. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Love your faces. See ya.